shot of Helpston level crossing in Cambridgeshire with Joe and Golden Minecart.
Oh, mate.
I know.
There we go. The time is 18:07 on Wednesday the 7th of October 2000. This is for. We didn't come this way, did we? Yeah.
Time now is.
We wait for 18:06 1 Lima 48 cross country service from Birmingham Luton Stansted Airport.
The time now is.
That's good. Look at that.
18:08 on Wednesday the 7th of October. This is for.
Oh. Yep, that stayed. Look what I've done on my iPad.
It's maybe for 18:06 1 Lima 48 cross country service for Birmingham Luton to Stansted.
I feel like Steve Diddy1 now.
Or we could be staying for.
Yeah.
We could be staying for 18:12 one hotel at 10. Virgin Trains East Coast service from London Cross to Hull.
No, that's 1816. That is. We won't be stopping down for that.
It says 18:12.
Is it?
Hotel 10.
No, it's expected 16.
40.
Oh, we're not stopping for that then.
It's formerly First Hull trains.
When we're about to move the car, I better move my iPad before it falls, so it's death. What's that noise?
Here's something.
Yeah, the traffic behind us.
Still filming.
Yep.
Oh, you put it on the.
Yeah, I told you what I did to it. Look. Here we go.
Oh, got.
171.13 to Stansted Airport, and up they go.
And up they go.
For the crossing has to go out.